Let's see how we can post a video in our Instagram account. So we're gonna open the app, then we're gonna go to this plus sign. There we're gonna choose a video. I'm gonna go to a car. Yeah, I'm gonna go here where I have a lot of videos, and then I'm just gonna click this one. This is where you can pick the cover, and this is how it's gonna look on your feed. Then you can, right here on the middle, you can crop the video, and the first one you can choose a filter. Let's see. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and then I'm gonna click on next, and then you can write your caption. Let's just do video and hashtag video. Just keep in mind that you can use 30 hashtags, but also you can just use 1, 5, whatever you want. Then you just click on OK, and then you're gonna pick your location if you want to, and also you can share this video on other social media. And then you can click on share, and that's it. You just post a video, and it's gonna be on your feed right here. But I'm just gonna delete it. You can just click the 3 dots here on the top right, delete, and then click again on delete. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links on the bottom in the description. Thank you.